Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you all can see, I've been doing a little decorating, just some minor updates to my room, just to kind of give it more of a holiday feel. Y'all see my little tree back there? I know it's pitiful. I got the tiniest tree ever, but it's my first time actually getting a Christmas tree. It's not a real one, but like, it does the trick. We at least got something that looks similar to a Christmas tree. So we're doing good. But today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to DIY a diva cut. I love the natural hair grown out, like colored look. If you guys know what I mean. Minnie Marley actually just colored her hair and she had just the tips done, and I love the shape of her hair. It's so bomb. Her hair and also J Hair Bigger, the shape of their hair is gorgeous. It has the hard shape, that diva cut that's so fly. And I've been wanting to try some color on the ends of my hair. I've been debating whether I'm gonna do it with my natural hair, but then I was like, let me just try it on a wig. Y'all know that's how I do. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I cut the hair, kind of transform it a bit. It started out looking nice, but we're gonna take it from nice to extraordinary. So I'm gonna show you all how I did it, because y'all know since I did my big chop, I feel like I'm nice with the scissors and stuff. So let's get into it. So y'all already know I'm gonna be doing this natural hair look on a Her Giving Hair unit. Their units are the most realistic and natural that I've tried. This unit is a lace closure unit. It does come with 2 combs on the side and 1 at the bottom. It's called their Honey Dip Coily unit, and I did get this unit in length 18, but we're gonna jazz it up a bit. It looks decent right out of the packaging, but y'all know I like to amp up my looks. So we're gonna cut it into a diva shape, and y'all, it's gonna look so fly. Now the first thing that you wanna do is to begin sectioning off your hair in the back. I like to part off maybe about 3 to 4 inches from the nape, and then begin just clipping the rest of the hair out of the way. Now you can do this on your natural hair, but I am doing it on a wig because my hair is not this long, but it's the same concept. I did the same thing when doing a taper cut, and the taper cut is just a smaller version of a diva cut. Once I finished sectioning off the hair, I just began to finger detangle the hair. You can blow out your hair first, but I decided not to do that, so I'm skipping that step. The next thing that you want to do is to grab a smaller section from the section that you have out to begin working on. I sprayed some water on the hair, and this is just going to make it a bit more pliable. Remember, this is our foundational part of the cut, so you want to first figure out how short you want it to be, and then you're going to cut it at an angle. I started at the longest part of the angle and then went up to the shortest part, but you can do it in the reverse if you'd like. So now I'm just going back and going downward, so you can go upward and then downward, and then just clean up the cut as you see fit. Now that the bottom layer of one side is done, I'm going to go over to the other side and do the same thing. I'm going to spray some water first to make it pliable, and then I'm going to look at the other side to kind of gauge how short I need it to be, and then I'm going to begin cutting. And I'm cutting downward this time. You can go upward first or downward first. It really doesn't matter. Just be sure to cut at an angle, being conscious of how short you want the angled part of the cut to be. When the 2 side sections are complete, you can either take your unit off if you're working on a wig, or for your natural hair, you need to turn around in the back and actually use a mirror to help you in cutting, but I have on a wig, so I'm going to take it off. And now I'm going to go on to the back section spraying water, and then I'm going to cut it straight across to be the same length as the shortest layer on both sides. After the bottom part of the cut has been almost bluntly cut straight across, we're going to begin to turn it to the side so that we can evaluate how the cut looks, and then we're going to create an angled slope. The slope that we're going to create from the side profile is going to mimic a positive slope, which is going to be going upward from left to right. When you are finished with the bottom part of the cut, you pretty much have your foundation all together, so you can begin sectioning off hair, stretching the hair as needed, and continuing to cut at an angle. And you want to make sure that by the end of the cut that you have a heart shape. So I'm just going to let you all watch the rest of the cut, and then we'll move on to the next step where we begin washing and then twisting. I just want you to know that you are really special. Oh, I just want you to know that you are really special. Oh, I just want you to know that you are really special. Oh, I just want
want you to know that you are really special, special, special. I just want you special, special. Know that you are really. I just want you special, special. Know that you are really special, special. I just want you special, special. Know that you are really. I just want you to know that you are really special, special,
So this is what my twists are looking like, but I do need to go in and actually use my Sally Hansen method just to define my parting and everything. So let's do that now.
you might be the one taking me home. One thing really do want. Say that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true?
Y'all, now that we have put in work, it's time to see how our work has paid off. So I just put on a wig cap that's my scalp color, and then I adjusted the adjustable straps in the back to make it tighter. I will not be laying this unit down with any got-to-be glue or anything. When I put it on, it fits so perfectly. I did get my unit in a size small. That's the size that I wear with her given hair. These twists are looking so juicy and bomb, y'all. I can't wait to see what the takedown looks like. So I'm just gonna pin the hair back that I'm not working on and proceed to take it down. And it was so easy to take it down. I just rotated in the opposite direction and just allowed the twist to do what they do. Look at that. Can you say amazing? Can you say bomb? This here is ridiculous. Shooketh. That's what I am at this point. Every twist that I took down came down so easily. It looked like I had maybe done 3-strand twist or something. Perfect twist out ever in life. The history of twist outs, this here should go down in history. It's freaking crazy. I couldn't even believe it.
Oh, girl, I wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes. You're not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching you and him and him and her with his wandering eyes. He's not worth your time, so come to me. I got what you need, just know I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right.
Alright y'all, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I feel like the cut turned out so great, and this twist out, listen, the definition and everything and the pop of color on the ends is giving me life, y'all. This is so gorgeous. It's perfect for any season. I love when I see girls with their hair with this grown out effect after they've dyed it. I think it looks so beautiful, and it gives personality to your hair. So I hope that you all enjoyed it. I hope you love the cut as much as I do, and seeing me do a twist out on this hair. Be sure to leave your comments and feedback. Like this video. Check the description box. All the details for this particular unit will be down there. I'll also leave my lipstick deets because I know I get that a lot. So I'll do that for you all. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.
Hey, look good from front, back, side, front, back, side. When the sun go down, it's my town. We can go and play. You know you should.